We have 5 tankless water heaters to repair. Unfortunately, we only got 4 back to full function. Water heater number 1. Eco Smart Model Eco 8 wasn't heating. Heating element replaced. Water heater number 2. Stiebel Eltron Model DHC-E 8/10 not heating. Flow sensor replace and unit flushed out. Water heater number 3. Stiebel Eltron Model DHC 8-2 not heating. Performed reset on safety thermal cutout. Repaired water heaters ready to return to respective clients. In part 2, we will explain how we repaired water heater number 4 and why we was unable to repair water heater number 5.